Hey everybody, I think you will enjoy this refreshing and healthy chicken pasta salad. Let's get into it, y'all. Okay, I'm going to start off with putting my pasta in the bowl, which I've already done. And then I am adding my cilantro, my scallion, my cooked chicken, and this is a great time to use leftover chicken. You could even use canned chicken. And then celery. And stir that all together. Move the chicken pasta over to the side and then start on your dressing. I'm going to use orange juice, white wine vinegar, canola oil, salt and pepper, and curry powder. And then I'm just going to give that a quick mix. Pour your dressing over your salad and give it a good mix. Toss with avocado and enjoy.